In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open and set up a new Exness trading account from scratch. We'll walk through creating a new trading account, choosing the right settings, funding it from your existing balance, and logging in on MT5 or the web terminal. By the end, you'll be ready to place your first trade on your new account with confidence. Start by signing into your Exness personal area in your browser, or open the Exness Trade app on your phone. Make sure you're on your own secure device and connected to a trusted network. If your profile is fully verified, transfers and platform logins will be smoother. Next, create the account. On desktop, click Open, New Account. In the app, tap the plus icon. You'll be prompted to choose an account type. Standard is a flexible choice for most traders with simple pricing. Raw Spread offers very tight spreads with a small commission, which can be useful for active or algorithmic strategies. Pick what fits your style. Now select your trading platform. MT4 is widely supported and great for most strategies, while MT5 offers more order types and additional timeframes. If you don't want to install anything, you can use the web terminal in your browser, set your account's base currency, choose the one you plan to deposit and withdraw on most often, because this setting can't be changed later. Select your leverage thoughtfully. Higher leverage increases exposure and risk. Pick a level that aligns with your risk management plan. Create a strong trading password. This is separate from your personal area password, so keep it unique and secure. Time to fund the new account. In your personal area, use the internal transfer option to move funds from one of your existing accounts to the new one. Select the source account, choose the new destination account, enter the amount, and confirm. Internal transfers are usually instant, and you can see the updated balance right away. If anything doesn't update, refresh the page and check your transaction history. Finally, download and log into your platform. Install MT4 or MT5 from the official App Store or use the web terminal. Open the platform, select Login to an existing account, choose the correct server for your new account, and enter your account number and the trading password you just created. Once connected, check your balance and symbols list. If you're also not seeing quotes, verify the server and credentials, then reconnect. That's it. You've created, funded, and logged in to your new